hermoso como el cielo.
Apologies for the delay. And like I promised us, at 5 o'clock, we will kick this off.
Good evening, everybody. We are welcome to the 5th edition of IDO.
And get ready to wow you with your fantastic moves. A round of applause, I think.
If you know you're good, it could make you go out there.
Honestly, the kind of thing I see for this place, everybody else die. See?
I'm not gonna lie to you, not be small thing, but we dey try, sha.
I will be the champion of this competition 2013, and now this is 2015.
Now make we go up there, make you go do waiting, we know to do better.
The dance makes sense now, and our competition we did. And we don't dance, we don't shout at talent, we don't show them what we get. We enjoy ourselves and we believe say we express the judges and the audience.
It's good to perform for this kind of place, but tension day.
Now we go carry the cup go again because we dey hot and nobody fit touch us. So now we dey win them again.
Just go the way God want am. Our performance go dope, it go dope wells.
We are here for campaigning for Christ. Campaigning to explain the gospel.
We no come here, we no be choice. We come to win.
We are here to try our best, so we no time like this and I dance.
Relax, calm down. This na SOE. And as we tell you, we stand gidigba. Nothing dey happen.
My country people, we dey feel am, because we get the swag. In short, we get the energy.
As they do, I be boy thing they go.
Every time we touch